Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore website events tracking in Segment, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore website events tracking in Segment, begin by logging in to your Segment account. Navigate to the workspace where your project is located. Select the source that corresponds to your website. Click on the Settings tab on the top right of the source page. Verify that your source's integration settings are correctly configured. Make sure the API keys are properly set up for all relevant integrations. Check if your site's tracking code is correctly implemented on every page. If necessary, update the tracking code to the latest version provided by Segment. Inspect your site's code to ensure the tracking snippet is correctly placed in the head section. Look for any JavaScript errors that might be preventing the tracking code from executing. Ensure that the events you're trying to track are properly coded in your website's JavaScript. Implement event tracking code for each action you want to monitor. Test the tracking locally to confirm data is being sent to Segment. Use the Segment debugger to observe live event tracking. If events do not appear in the debugger, inspect the console for error messages. In case of any errors, troubleshoot based on the messages provided. After resolving any issues, retest the setup to confirm that events are being tracked. Once verified, check that events are being sent to your destination integrations. Lastly, verify that data appears as expected in your analytics platform. Your website events tracking should now be successfully restored in Segment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.